In the heart of the city, two food trucks park next to each other, Taco Mania and Burger Blunders. The competition heats up when they decide to hold a cook-off to see who can create the craziest dish. Taco Mania whips up a taco topped with peanut butter and jelly, while Burger Blunders unveils a burger made entirely of donuts and whipped cream. As they serve curious customers, a taste test ensues, only for both trucks to discover a secret ingredient, an unusually spicy hot sauce that sends half the customers running for water. As the fire brigade arrives to cool down the altercation, the owners comically argue about the best dish while sneaking bites from each other's creations, revealing that both are too ridiculous to win.